All right, so let's talk about image optimization. So your images can contribute to the loading speed of your website, or it can reduce the loading speed of your website. Sometimes images are too big and you might need to add a lot of image depending on the project you are building. So in this section of this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the size of your image and still maintain the quality. So I have some images which I'll be using for this uh, website I'm building, and I'm going to drag this image and drop it here. When I drop the image, it's going to load, and the initial size of the image is 1.52 MB. Now I've seen some people use images that is up to 10 MB. Now that's a very wrong thing to do. If you watch most of those sites, when you open the site, you see the image loading slowly. That's because the images are too large. So when there's no sufficient internet connection, it's the website going to experience a lot of lag. So you want to reduce the size of the image but still maintain the quality. So I like um, keeping my quality at 70 regardless of the format. And then the best format to actually use, the most efficient format for images, is this WebP format. Now it's very annoying sometimes when I want to download some images online and I download it's not JPEG and it's WebP. I get so annoyed, but it's actually the most efficient format for images when building web apps. So, but I'm going to use this. I'm just going to go with JPEG, and then I'll click on resize. I'm just going to keep the width at 1000 max. I'm going to keep it at 1000 max. So you see, it's very. Or let's do 1024, so the image will be able to expand regardless of the size of its container. So now it's 47.8 kilobytes and the initial size was 1.62 MB. So if I, you see, there's a big difference in the quality, but for what we're using this image to do, the quality is still okay. If you zoom out, you can see that it's still looking very sharp, and even if you zoom in, even though it's blur, it's not actually breaking. You can just zoom in. So this is how you can uh, optimize your images for your project. So let's do another one. I'm going to use one of these images, or let's go with the logo. Or the logo looks good, 19.6 kilobytes. So so before actually dragging another image, I'm just going to save this first, and then I'm going to drag in another image. So this is already 193 kilobytes, and I'm just reducing. So I follow a rule of keeping everything below 100 kilobytes or just 100 kilobytes. So I'm going to just download this also. So I want you to open the name of this app, it's Squoosh, and just do the same. Now there's also another option you can use. You can use this pick resize. You can also use it, and they are very easy to use. So I'm not going to go over it, but I get you. I know you understand the point of doing this is to make sure your website loads faster, the images load faster while still retaining the quality. So I'm going to close this, and we're going to jump back into building our app after I finish optimizing all the images I want to use.